Hey everyone, this is Jared here with Team Adventures with BG, and today I'm doing an unboxing and a first look at the Odoland Portable Fan. So let's go ahead and get this open and see what we've got. All right. In the box, we've got the fan itself, an instructions sheet, not very much to it, and just a bag with the USB-C charging cable. So let's get more into about this fan, right? So it has a battery that is 10,400 mAh. That'll let you run the fan portion from 20 hours to 12 hours. And there's 4 fan settings, so it can go a long time on a single charge. For the light, it goes up to 200 lumens. There's 3 settings, and it can run from 48 to 20 hours on that light. If you run them both together, it's going to be a lot shorter. What's great about this fan is it also lets you charge it and have the fan or light work at the same time. So one of the setups that I've used it for is hanging it in my back seat for my dog Waffle, and that way it keeps him cooler than he normally would be, and I'm charging it at the same time. Another great feature, it actually has the remote back here, so you can take that remote out and use it, as well as it has this fancy hook that you can use it to hang it in your tent, on a tree, whatever it may be, or it's just a stand, right? So you can prop it up like that. So very cool little camping fan here. This is definitely going to be in my car for Waffle whenever he needs it on road trips, as well as whenever I go car camping and I have that tent. I'm going to have this bad boy there keeping me cool, because it definitely gets hot here in Texas. So thanks for watching, and make sure you join me on my next adventure.